We all have to keep cool during Florida's hottest days. The Goldbergs keep cold air all around them thanks to Air Masters of Tampa Bay, the company ranked among the best in the nation for air conditioning service.
Air Masters is a very reliable company.
And they keep us cool.
Air Masters cares about its customers, offering only the best quality products installed by trained experts.
Well, no job is too complicated, and we give you a lifetime warranty on our workmanship. I don't know how you can beat that.
Free duct sanitizing with every new installation. Air Masters, honest, affordable quality.